Hi, I'm Khoa from Visual English. Today I'm gonna show you how to use make and do. Now, they can be tricky and there are some exceptions. Here are 4 things to remember. We use make when we create something, like this plan. We use do to talk about an activity. What are you doing? I'm doing some work. We use make to talk about something that causes a reaction. This music really makes me want to sing. We can also use do with general activity. What are you doing tomorrow? Thank you for listening.